Hello, Smart Desktop AI team. This is Dennis. Last name is Clark. This is Dennis Clark. I'm your sponsor. And this quick video just going to show you how to fill out the sponsorship information, since that's could be a little bit confusing of how to do that and where to find that for me. So I'm going to share that with you right now. So you will have all the information you need to fill out your payment information form, and also go through a little bit of brief information of how to do some basic info of how to fill out the payment information that's on this form. Okay, so here's the tutorial how to fill out your sponsorship information for Smart Desktop AI. And if you're on my team, this is exact information you got to put into your form. Just copy it off of this. So here we go. So where you go, first off, you go to the login page, and this is the exact website login page, smartdesktop.ai/new login.php. So make sure you get to that page. This is exactly how you log in to your back office of Smart Desktop AI. And to log in, you use your email address that you registered with, and then your password that you should have changed your password by now. If not, it's going to show a generic password on the bottom, but you are definitely encouraged, and you should change your password as soon as possible and write it down. Keep it in a safe place. Never share your password, and never forget it. If by all means you need to write it down safe and secure somewhere. Okay, so once you type in your email address and password, the next screen you immediately go to the back office, and it looks like this. It shows Smart Desktop AI dashboard. Has my name is Dennis Clark, as you can see. I'm your sponsor. My referral link, and this is how you get your sponsor ID number. Is right here where it says referral link. At the very end, there's a question mark. I think it's a letter A, whatever, equals. Then there's a bunch of numbers. So mine is 6282. So I'm going to show you where you put that at. So just remember 6282. On the next slide, it'll show like exactly what it looks like when you type it in there. So it's gonna be this is super easy, guys. I'm telling you, nothing to worry about. Okay, so just remember that number 6282 and how to get there. This is where it says update genealogy and payment information. This is brand new. They just put this in today. So what you do is you click on this link here. It says click here for update payment information. As soon as you click there, it's going to go to another screen. This is what it looks like. There's a form to fill out, genealogy and commission confirmation. This is what information you got to put in so you get paid. So this is extremely important to get this done. It is more important than you can imagine. You have to get this done. Okay, so sponsor code. This is where you put the 6282, which is my ID number. You have to put that in there. So put my number 6282. Sponsor email is right here. It's my exact email address. GERALDINA Clark, which is CLARK at yahoo.com. So you must use this exact email address here. And then my first name is Dennis, DENNIS, and my last name is Clark, CLARK. Okay? And then what you do below that. Now I'm gonna try to go over that as best I can because I don't have that in the slide. So once you scroll down below where it says sponsor last name, make sure you just completely fill this out. Where it says email address right here in the gray, this gray area is automatically filled out for you. So you don't have to put nothing here. Just keep exactly, because this is your email address that you signed up with. So they did that on purpose so nobody makes a mistake, because this is extremely important for tracking purposes. So you get paid properly for all your sales. So this will automatically populate, and I'm going to go over this one more time. Sponsor code is 6282. Type it just like it shows here. Sponsor email is this exact here. Do not misspell this at all. This has to be perfect. You cannot misspell one letter, or else you won't get paid. It's as simple as that. or you get delayed, you'll miss your payment. So you have to wait a whole more 30 days to get paid if you miss one letter. That's really important this is. That you have to make sure you get it correct 100%. So this you put this exact email address, the correct spelling, you write it down right now. Make sure you put that right. My name has to be spelled correctly, Dennis. That's important. And my last name spelled correctly, Clark. Okay, once you have this down, I hope you had enough time to write this stuff down here. I'll give you like maybe 5 more seconds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so below that, which is sponsor last name, is where you put your payment information. Now I'm going to go over this briefly, just so you have at least some better information of what to do. So what you need to do is, if you are inside the USA, now this is for people in the US, okay? You have to put in, for USA only, you put the name on the account. So example, if you have Bank of America, Wells Fargo, a credit union, whatever, you need to put your full name that's on your bank account. Your first and last name. That's what that means. Name on account means they just want your name. Like me is Dennis Clark. There we go. Simple. And then you want to put your routing number. Now, if you don't know what that is, you have to go online to your bank. If you have online banking, you can get that online, or you call your bank by phone, and they will give that to you by phone, or you go inside a branch of your bank and just go to the teller window, and they'll tell you what the routing and account number is. You must have your routing number and your account number, your bank account number. It has to be exact. You cannot mess that up. It has to be exactly correct by the number. You can't make a mistake on this. So you need your routing number, which is normally several digits, and then your account number is going to be all numbers as well most of the time. You fill those 2 spots out, and then you're pretty much done with the form. You click the submit button. Now I'm going to go over something very important with that. So people that's international, the problem is I can't show you on the slide. It doesn't go down. So it sort of cuts off here. If you're outside the US, you really got to follow instructions on that, because I don't have anything really to go over on that myself. Since I'm in the US, it says that you can put your Wise email address, and it looks like they're going to try to pay out by wise.com, because I know that's international. I know that for a fact, because I actually purchased some traffic, some paid traffic, solo ads. I'm going to tell you the truth. I actually purchased some email advertising online with 2 different people. One person was in the Philippines, the other person was in India. So it'll automatically convert the currency from like US dollars into your currency, and automatically with wise.com. That's why it's so cool. And that's why somebody told me about it, that I bought something from the Philippines, and they use wise.com, and it all worked out pretty well. It was really awesome. So it's a nice payment processor. So you just go to wise.com, and you it's completely free. Create a free account, and all you need is your email address that you signed up with, and that's how they pay you. There's no account number, there's nothing else, and so pay directly to your email address, just like they do with PayPal. About the same thing. It's just an international currency. It's also USA based. It's worldwide, basically. Just make it simple. So if you're not in USA, you can use wise.com. Now they are saying that they will pay also in cryptocurrency, USDT. Now this is the thing, I don't even know much about cryptocurrency, so you are going to have to get with support to get paid on that part. I have no idea what to do on that, and I'm not going to give you misinformation or make no mistakes on that. So I'm not going to assume anything. You gotta talk to support to get paid through cryptocurrency, USDT. But for Wise Payment, if you can sign up with that make it a lot easier, and you'll get paid. It'll go directly into your account of your bank account once you set it up. It's free. There's nothing to worry about. It's super easy. Wise.com, WISE.com is where you go to sign up for that account. That'll make sure you get paid. You put that info down on this form. Okay, now this is very important. Once you fill out this form completely, this slide is very important. Pay attention on this. This is what you're going to see when you click the submit form on the bottom of that form, once you fill out everything, okay, I mean, everything must be filled out correctly, no errors of any kind, and you're going to get a pop-up that says this right here, the www.smartdesktop.ai says, so it's actually talking to you. It says your information has been successfully processed. And then there's a button to press OK. So once you fill out the form, press the submit form button. You need to make sure that you see the screen with this little message thing right here where it says your information has been successfully processed. Now, if you went directly to the login screen when you press the submit button, what that means is that you timed out and your information was never sent. So you have to go log back into your desktop, Smart Desktop AI, just like I said in the very beginning, start over, start all over. In fact, rewind this video and just start over from step one, okay? It's that important. You have to make sure you see this exact screen where it says your information has been successfully processed. Then you press the OK button and then you're done. So as soon as you see that, press OK, and your information has been submitted, and you will get paid. You know, and you're helping everybody else that's supposed to get your commission. You know what I'm saying? You know, whatever. But we all have to work on the team on this, okay? Not one person should forget this, okay? Because we all want to make money. Not only that, if you had zero sales, guess what? Even if you had zero sales, you will get your $20 back. Okay, so that $20 that you spent, if you never promote this thing and you pay that 20 and somehow you got no sales, you still fill this out. Okay, I don't care if you got zero sales or what, you have to fill this out because you will get your $20 back. That's how they give it back to you. They're going to direct deposit it by WisePay or by your bank account, and you're going to get your money back. Okay, so this way, this is completely free. The only thing you spent was time on your day. All right, so you never pay the $20 after all. It's coming back to you. So that's why everybody has to fill this out. And now, you know what? I think that's why they did that. I don't know. It's really unusual, but they made it free, but they're refunding your money. And the only way you get your money is you fill this form out. And it forces everybody to fill this out. And that's why it's going to guarantee that we get our sales that we earned, that we worked hard for, because it forces everybody, even people that never made a sale, they will get their $20 back. And if you sign up as a free member, I don't know, just fill out the darn form too, okay? I don't care, fill it out, right? Maybe you may not get no money back because you didn't pay anything in the first place, but you still got to fill out the form, guys. We need to work as a team on this. This is a business. This is it's all about being business partners, integrity. We need to trust each other. Got to be loyal. So if you don't fill this out, you're messing things up, guys. Okay? They need to track this stuff, right? So everything helps. Every little bit that we do helps them, and it helps us in return. So even if you started as a free member, you never referred anybody, never got any sales, you still have to fill this out, watch this video over again, and get it done. Submit it. All right, I'm done. If you have any questions, let me know. Contact me on Facebook. Everybody knows me on there. Or leave a comment on the video below. This is on YouTube. If you like what you see, like what you hear, hit the like and subscribe button. And thanks for joining my team. I totally appreciate it. I'm going to have some really cool bonuses for all you guys. I just haven't had the time to get to it. But I got some goodies to give you guys, man. Free stuff. And I got more stuff I'm working on in the background. But yeah, we're gonna definitely do. We're gonna make some serious money with this. There's no doubt about that, guys. All right. Well, thanks for joining my team. Looking forward to talking to you guys real soon. Hit comments that if you signed up and you saw this video. If you have any questions, man, leave a comment on the YouTube video or hit me on Facebook. It's RAPICHAT, Rappy Chat. So Facebook, that's my name, my username on Facebook. It's because of a site I used to run, Rappy Chat, RAPICHAT. This way you get me directly. Just hit me up there. Twitter is x.com/RAPICHAT. RAPICHAT, the same thing, RapiChat, for Twitter or X, whatever. All right, signing off. Thanks for joining my team. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. It really helps my channel out. Thanks, guys. Bye.